Hey, I'm Hashnerd, and today we're unboxing the RAK Wireless 8-channel LORA Gateway Kit. All right, now depending on where you get your kit from, you might have different items than me or in different containers, but it comes with a power cable, a Raspberry Pi, the RAK Wireless shield and antennas, and the enclosure. So we'll take a look at, well, here's the power cable. It's micro USB, I'm pretty sure. We have the Raspberry Pi. Shouldn't be too much in this. I think it's just the Pi. Bingo. And I guess I need to go look in the box for the SD kit, or I mean SD card. All right, and then we have the enclosure. This is the panel cover. The top, it has the ridges. The bottom, it's flat and it has risers. Might be hard to see. And the enclosure body. Extra risers for the shield and the antenna cables for connecting the antennas to the box externally. And some extra screws and plastic parts. I think they must be for the risers, but I'm not exactly sure. And then we have the actual antennas and the GPS. Oh, here's the SD card. So 16 gigabyte SD card for flashing Raspbian. The RAK shield goes right on the Raspberry Pi. I guess I'll take it out. So this is what attaches to the Raspberry Pi. Heat sink. And then finally, we have the LORA antenna. It folds. And the GPS unit. And that's it. And then you just put all these things together, which I'm gonna do in a separate video. All right, so that's gonna be it for me today. If you like the video, like and subscribe, or leave a comment and tell me what you'd like to see, and I'll catch you next time.